Organizations produce hundreds of pages of manuals, policies, and standard operating procedures every year. But simply handing an employee a 40-page PDF doesn't mean they are actually absorbing the information inside it. To get your workforce to actually engage with that knowledge, we need to translate those static pages into a format they watch and retain: video. Using an AI-powered doc-to-video engine makes this conversion immediate and scalable. Before we start the process, you will need 3 things: access to the Powtoon workspace, a raw document or slide deck, and your company's standard brand assets. The engine acts as a translator. It ingests your raw text, identifies the core concepts, and maps them onto a multi-layered timeline, complete with supporting visuals, narration, and on-screen text. Shifting from mandatory reading to dynamic video changes the strategy for knowledge sharing. It treats critical information as a visual narrative, prioritizing long-term retention over the passive distribution of text files. Inside your workspace, the process begins at the Creation dashboard. This is where we feed our raw data into the system. Take your existing training manual or PowerPoint deck and drag the file directly into the upload zone. The system scans the document to identify core objectives, breaking paragraphs into modular units. Based on this data, it calculates creative directions, arranging these ideas into a sequential flow that matches your training objectives. By automating this structural analysis, you bypass the hardest part of production. You never have to stare at a blank timeline trying to figure out where your narrative should start. With the structure in place, those ideas need a specific visual format to carry them. Select from 3 main outputs: a cinematic footage-based video, a slide-based presentation style, or a character-driven animation. Your choice depends on the material. An executive update might require the professional polish of live-action footage, while a complex software tutorial often benefits from the clear, step-by-step nature of an animated explainer. Once you select the format that fits your objective, you click Generate and let the engine take over. In the background, the AI runs multiple tasks at once. It drafts a script, pulls visual assets, and generates a natural-sounding voiceover to match. Generating a complete draft in minutes shifts the production focus. You begin the workflow with a functioning video, allowing you to spend time on strategic review. That first draft opens directly inside the Studio Timeline editor. This is where your expertise is required. AI can organize information quickly, but you must review the script to ensure it correctly interpreted your company's specific technical jargon and policies. Next, align the video with your corporate identity. Applying your brand's Kipt updates, fonts, and color palettes across every scene instantly. Upload your company logo once, and it automatically snaps into the correct position on every layout. Because many employees will watch this on mute, we need to ensure the message survives without sound. Apply automated captions or add custom text overlays to highlight key metrics and instructions. To guide the viewer's attention, adjust the timing on these text elements so they enter and exit exactly on cue. By combining the speed of the AI draft with strict human review and automated brand guardrails, the resulting video is both factually accurate and unmistakably native to your company. Your static document is now a fully realized professional video, ready for deployment. You can export it directly to your learning management system, embed it into a company wiki, or share it across your internal communication platforms. Instead of hoping your team reads a dense manual, you provide an engaging format they can quickly consume and understand. You have finally turned a stagnant file into an active, scalable asset that ensures your message actually connects.